Have you been wondering if oregano oil has any health benefits? Look no further. This video has all the information as to why this incredible oil is so beneficial. You'll discover how it can help boost immunity and support respiratory health and its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. We'll show you why it's becoming so popular in natural medicine and share tips on incorporating it into your lifestyle. Watch now to see just how powerful oregano oil is. 1. Oregano oil is a natural antibiotic. Oregano oil is a powerful antibiotic that can fight against and prevent bacterial infections. Research suggests oregano oil can treat various respiratory conditions such as sinusitis, bronchitis, ear infections, and asthma. Oregano oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation associated with these conditions. These qualities are due to the presence of carvacrol and thymol, two naturally occurring compounds in oregano oil with antibacterial properties. Studies have shown that carvacrol can effectively destroy some bacteria, including E. coli, Salmonella, and Shigella. Thymol has also been studied extensively and is effective against gram-positive bacterial species, such as Staphylococcus aureus and Bacillus subtilis. Besides, oregano oil contains other ingredients, such as terpenes, which play a vital role in antimicrobial activity by disrupting cell membrane integrity and inhibiting the growth of certain bacteria. Further research is required to know why oregano oil works so effectively against infections caused by these bacterial species. However, it seems clear that you can consider this natural remedy when looking for ways to treat bacterial infections. Oregano oil is often taken internally or applied directly to the skin to treat bacterial infections. It can also act as an antibiotic in larger doses, relieving symptoms such as fever and chills associated with bacterial infections. It's critical to note that the dosage should be kept low due to its strong potency. Abuse may cause serious side effects such as stomach upset, headache, and seizures. Additionally, it's best not to take oregano oil during pregnancy due to the potential risks associated with high doses of this essential oil. Follow safety precautions to get the most out of oregano oil for bacteria treatment. 2. Oregano oil has antifungal properties. Oregano oil can treat skin problems like athlete's foot or ringworm caused by fungi. This feature is because oregano oil contains carvacrol and thymol, compounds that are incredibly powerful for fighting off fungi. Carvacrol can break down the cell walls of fungi, making it easier to kill them at once. Thymol also works by breaking down fungal cell walls and preventing the growth of new fungal cells. Both compounds work together to create an effective antifungal solution. Additionally, oregano oil has anti-inflammatory effects that help reduce swelling and itching caused by fungal infections. These qualities make it an excellent choice for treating skin conditions such as athlete's foot or ringworm. Oregano oil may also treat internal fungal infections since its antiviral properties can help fight off infection-causing microbes in the body. In summary, oregano oil is excellent for combating fungal infections on the skin and internally within the body. To incorporate oregano oil for fungal infection treatment, dilute it with a carrier oil such as coconut or olive oil and apply it topically to the affected area 2 to 3 times a day. For internal fungal infections such as candida overgrowth, you can take oregano oil orally by adding 1 to 2 drops in water or juice up to 3 times daily for several weeks until symptoms improve. Additionally, consuming oregano essential oil capsules may help reduce the risk of further infection from fungi when used regularly. 3. Oregano oil is a powerful antioxidant. Oregano oil is a powerful antioxidant that can help boost your immune system and protect your body from harm. It has been shown to reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and help fight various illnesses. Oregano oil also contains many vitamins and minerals that boost overall health. The antioxidants help to neutralize free radicals in the body, which can cause oxidative damage and lead to various diseases. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, oregano oil can fight off colds and other upper respiratory infections. It can also reduce allergy symptoms such as sneezing, runny nose, itchy eyes, congestion, and headache. 4. Oregano oil reduces cholesterol. Oregano oil is high in antioxidants, improving cholesterol levels. It contains carvacrol and thymol, which can reduce total and LDL, bad, cholesterol levels while increasing HDL, good, cholesterol. This process maintains a healthy cholesterol balance, reducing the risk of heart disease and other health conditions. Oregano oil also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the arteries and veins, further aiding in lowering LDL levels. Furthermore, its antibacterial properties can help keep pathogens from developing on artery walls, further protecting against heart disease. Regular consumption of oregano oil can lead to a healthier balance of lipids in the blood, reducing the overall risk of heart disease or stroke. 5. Oregano oil can enhance gut health. Oregano oil is a powerful antimicrobial agent that can reduce the population of harmful bacteria in the gut. It is high in thymol and carvacrol, two compounds that improve digestive health. Studies have shown that oregano oil can kill E. coli, Salmonella, Staphylococcus, and other harmful microorganisms without harming beneficial bacteria like Lactobacillus acidophilus. Additionally, it can prevent food poisoning by inhibiting the growth of these bacteria. Another benefit of oregano oil is its anti-inflammatory properties, which may help protect against irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, symptoms such as pain and bloating. It also features antioxidants, reducing oxidative stress on cells in the intestinal tract and protecting them from damage caused by free radicals or toxins. 6. Oregano oil supports weight management. Oregano oil aids in the metabolism of fat molecules, which promotes weight loss when taken as a supplement. The active component carvacrol helps to reduce inflammation and boost metabolism, leading to increased fat burning and higher energy levels. It also helps to regulate glucose and insulin levels, reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, which is often associated with obesity. Besides, oregano oil can help suppress appetite by regulating hormones such as ghrelin, which triggers hunger cravings. When combined with a healthy diet and exercise regime, it can be an effective tool for achieving long-term weight management goals. Furthermore, research suggests that oregano oil may help break down fatty deposits in the body and reduce belly fat, particularly visceral fat. This fat has been linked to metabolic disorders like heart disease. Therefore, regular consumption of oregano oil could benefit overall health while promoting weight loss. 7. Oregano oil can soothe pain and relieve stress. Oregano oil has long been used as a natural remedy to reduce pain and stress. It contains active compounds called carvacrol, thymol, and terpenine, giving it anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that these compounds can help reduce inflammation in joints and muscles, relieving pain and discomfort. Additionally, oregano oil is a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress in the body caused by free radicals. This stress reduction can lead to improved energy levels and overall well-being. In aromatherapy, oregano oil is known for its calming effects on the nervous system. The pleasant smell of oregano oil helps create an atmosphere of tranquility and relaxation. This environment is perfect for those suffering from anxiety or stress-related issues. As you can see, oregano oil is an incredibly versatile and beneficial oil you can use for various health purposes. From helping to fight infections to providing relief from digestive issues, oregano oil has the potential to become an essential part of any health-conscious individual's lifestyle. So, if you are serious about keeping your health goals on track, try oregano oil. Who knows? This herb could be the missing piece in your well-being puzzle. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 17 powerful health benefits of beets. Thanks for watching and bye for now.